There are 5 stages in the sales process of getting your home sold. Stage number 1 is going to be that pre-listing phase. Now, I have some sellers that hang out here for a few months, and I have sellers that want to hang out here for less than a week. So what you're going to do in this stage is you're going to get an idea from a real estate professional on a predicted offer price. If you really want to button up coming out with the appropriate price, having an appraisal done may not be such a bad thing, especially if you have a very unique property such as lakefront, or if you have our golf front, that sort of thing, acreage. If you also want to have somebody come and evaluate the condition of the home, here may be a good time for you to be able to hire a home inspector to do a pre-listing home inspection. That way you can go ahead and knock out some of those tiny little things that you've been wanting to get done on the honey to-do list, but you haven't gotten around to do it. Condition speaks volumes. When you have a buyer walking through your home, they want to know that you've taken very, very good care of their home. So that's always a great thing to do in stage number 1 of that pre-listing stage in the sales cycle. So watch my videos and learn about the other 4 stages.